Hello student, let me start exercise 8.1 chapter 8 quadrilateral. Sum number 1. The angle of quadrilateral are in the ratio 3 ratio 5 ratio 9 ratio 13. Find all the angles of quadrilateral. Let the ratio x. So first angle of quadrilateral is 3x. Second angle 5x. Third angle 9x. Fourth angle 13x. And we know that sum of these four angles is 360 degree. After adding, it becomes 30x. Then x is equals to 12. Now values. First angle 3 into 12 36. Second angle 5 into 12 60. Third angle 9 into 12 108. And the fourth angle is 13 into 12 156. Next is sum number 2. If the diagonal of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is rectangle. Make a figure. Let me take its name, lion. Given lion is parallelogram whose diagonals are equal. To show it is a rectangle. Now proof. Join L to O, N to I. Take two triangles in triangle LIN and ILO. LI, IL common. LN equals to IO, opposite side of parallelogram. IN equals to LO, diagonal equal given. So triangle is congruent by SSS. So angle L equals to angle I by CPCT, and sum of these two angle is 180 degree because of co-interior angles. Lines are parallel, then same side of the transversal. Sum of two angle is 180 degree. Twice of L because L is equals to I. 180. Angle L is equals to 90. A parallelogram in which one angle is of 90 degree, then it is rectangle. hence proved. Next is sum number 3. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angle, then it is rhombus. Let me take its name. Dear, diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other at 90 degree. Join angle of 90. EO equals to RO. DO is equals to AO. That is given. Same. We will write from the statement. To prove it is rhombus, proof in triangle DOE, triangle 1 and triangle 2 AOE. EO common. DO is equals to AO given. And this one angle 1, angle 2. Each 90 also given. So triangle is congruent by SAS. So DE is equals to AE by CPCT. Similarly, DE is equals to DR. DR is equals to AR. From 1, 2 and 3. DE is equals to EA is equals to RA is equals to DR. All adjacent sides are equal. That's why DR is rhombus. Next, sum number 4. Show that the diagonal of a square are equal, bisect each other at right angle. Given. Let me take its name math. Join intersection point S. Given. Math is square to show diagonals equal, bisect each other at 90. First we will prove diagonal equal. So we will take two triangles HMA TAM. HM is equals to TA, opposite side of square. We know that all adjacent sides of square are equal. Angle M is equals to angle A, each 90. MAAM common. Then triangle is congruent by SAS. So HA is equals to TM by CPCT. First part proved. For the second, bisect. For it we will take two opposite triangles in triangle HST and ASM. HT equal to AM, sides of square, both angle are equal, alternate interior angles. Let me take angle 1, angle 2. Angle 1 equals to angle 2, vertical opposite angle. So triangle is congruent by AAS. If these two triangle congruent, then HS is equals to AS, TS is equals to MS. Second part proved. Next, at 90 degree. For it, we will take two adjacent triangles. Triangle HST and HSM. HS common. SMST above proved. HMHT adjacent sides of square. So triangle is congruent by SSS. So angle 1 equals to angle 5 by CPCT. Angle 1 plus 5 equals to 180. Twice of 5, 180. Angle 5, 90. Hence proved diagonal of a square are equal, bisect each other at 90 degree. Thank you.